My name is Ashley Winkler. I am the owner of Luxe Med Spa in Sarasota, Florida. I chose Aesthetic Management Partners because I believed in their technology and I loved all of the information that you and data you're given when you do purchase a device. The support has been unbelievable from the minute you purchase the device and you go through their 30, 60, 90-day boot camp. I love the extended training that they do offer when providers come on and they're learning a device for the first time. The hands-on and the didactic is phenomenal. Every single time our trainer leaves, my providers are extremely comfortable doing those treatments with our patients. The 30, 60, 90 is amazing. It's completely changed the way we do things at our practice. We have the support from Aesthetic Management Partners from day one, and they set goals for us and we hit those goals, and we really do see a difference at the end of the 90 days in our return on investment and just the onboarding alone. We just had our AGC event. It was actually a 3-day event. The first day targeted our laser treatments. So we had Agnes, Scarlet, and Nuviderm. The second day was Aquaferm and Derive, and the third day was our injectables. And it was such a fun experience. We worked with Shayna, and she helped every step of the way. And really, after this, the AGC event, we really did see those sales that AMP does tell you about from just doing this event.